Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the INDATA Project at Easter Seals Crossroads, and today we're going to be talking about Toch, T-O-C-H, smart knobs, which are intelligent stove knobs for safer cooking. Let's go ahead and take a look.
Everyone, my name is Tracy Castillo and I have a tech tip for you. I want to talk to you today about kitchen safety. I know I put out a tech tip earlier this week or last week regarding a smart device to help monitor your stove. And in my research, I found another device. Today, I want to introduce to you the Toch Technologies Toch Smarturns. Now, if I mispronounced that, I'm very sorry. I did my best. Anyhow, this device right here contains different items. As you can see in the picture, there are little devices that would go on the knobs on your stove. There's what looks like a hub device and a sensor device. So if I pull the items, I already pulled some of the items out. This is the hub. So this hub will actually connect to the smart turns. This is a device that's going to hook to your stove, and then there's another device that would help monitor those devices, and it's a motion sensor. So what'll happen is you can connect your smart turns to the hub. And there's a cool video, they have it on YouTube, on how to do it. So you connect these two devices together, and there's three devices. Then you would hook those to your stove, and just a simple little knob turn. So then you would take this device right here and also hook it to the hub, and this is a motion sensor. So what'll happen is when you go to your stove to start cooking, you'll turn your oven on and you'll get it set, and it's going to be running. When that happens, the motion detector is going to sit in front of your stove, in front of you, behind you. So it's going to be behind you, and it's going to monitor the movement in front of the stove. So that what'll happen is, after a while in front of the stove, if you get distracted and walk away, and the motion detector determines that, hey, you've been away from your stove for too long, it is going to send you a text message. Now, this message could come to you, or it even could go to one of your caregivers. This will help monitor yourself, and then if you notice that, hey, I did walk away from my stove, maybe you'll go back and you can turn your stove off, or maybe you can even catch yourself not causing a fire. So I think this is a really neat device. I think that's going to give people peace of mind in the kitchen, and you should always, have a backup plan like this. Anyway, my name is Tracy Castillo, and I want to thank you for watching my tech tip. You have a great day.
That's your tech tip for this week. My name is Brian Norton with the INDATA Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.